Hey Glam Dolls, I'm here today to share with you all some fabulous artificial nail designs I picked up by shopping at my local Dollar Tree and my beauty supply store. I'm going to start by digging in these bags. That's what's going to make this as much fun for me as it should be for you waiting to see what artificial nails did Glam find this time. Yes, this time. And ooh, I got some good ones. But before we get into the video, I am recording this video in natural daylight, and Mother Nature and the clouds is moving around. She's trying to do the absolute most. So I'm going to dig in these bags and try to show them to you. But if the lighting changes or fluctuates throughout this video, please understand that it's Mother Nature, natural daylight, and there's not much I can do about that. But you want to know what I was able to do? Save my money, which is why I'm going to show you these nails. Yes, ma'am. So, okay, we're going to go with Dollar Tree first. The stiletto nails popped up back in Dollar Tree. Yes, they did. And you know I was there for it. First ones I caught was, which looks like this right here. These are the red stiletto nail versions that pop back up when it comes to Dollar Tree. And if you see these, honey, snatch as many of them as you can. So that's the red design. Look at that right there, the pink, black, and silver design. I am loving the pattern that are on these nails right here. These are the pink, black, and silver ones. These right here are the turquoise blue with the black design on them. I am so obsessed with the pattern and the designs that they have on these nails, honey. That's that one right there. Then I got some regular, you know, artificial nails. I was up in Dollar Tree, my oldie but my goodies. This one is just the clear French tip design one. So it's the clear nails with the white French tips. It looks like that right there. I hope you able to see the white French tips on them, because I know the lighting is changing, but that's that one right there. I also have this design right here. That's another design that I've snatched up, and those were the nails that was in my local Dollar Tree. So it wasn't that many of them, because a lot of the nails that they had in there I already have, so I didn't want to start repeating what I already got at home. So now for the fun part. Here is where I tell you all to get in your local beauty supply store, to get in your local drugstore, snatch up these nail designs that I am about to share and show you, because you want to talk about having a salon quality hand look without paying that high ass salon price. You're going to want to snatch these up right here. Yes, ma'am. So I'm going to gather these together, and one thing's for certain, like when it comes to me and, you know, getting my artificial nails, I still go to the nail salon. Don't get me wrong, honey. I still go to the nail salon, but I just don't go as often as I used to. And I picked up this one right here. This here is by the Goldfinger Luxury Elegance collection, and you're getting 30 lavishly handcrafted nails with 3D jewels on them. Okay, looks like that right there. Yeah, now I have to turn it kind of, you know, sideways, because if I go like this, you'll get a glare. So I gotta turn it sideways. But these are the baby pink ones with the 3D jewels already attached to them. So I picked that one up. So those were the pink ones that I just showed you. But wait, I picked up the Kiss Bring Home the Salon limited edition Glam Fantasy Ultimate Diamond Nails. Yes, these right here. Look at how gorgeous these are. Come on, if you went to the nail salon and you got all 10 of your fingers done with this design, you're gonna pay more than $10, because I only paid $10 for this pack. And with me paying $10, look how many nails I get. I'm getting 28 nails in the pack for only $10. I get to do my hand 2 times, okay, 2 times, and still got nails left over just in case one of them break off. Okay, 28 nails. You get to do your nails 2 times for only $10. What nail salon is going to give you this look for only $10? And you can go twice. None of them, I tell you that much. None of them. And seriously speaking, and let me pause for a moment. Let me be honest with you, dolls. I don't knock the nail salons. No, that's not what I'm on here trying to promote. I do not knock the nail salons. In fact, I admire the craft that they are able to do, meaning I admire how they're able to do the nails, add the 3D design and all the special effects and stuff they be doing with the nails. I admire that. And from time to time, I still go to the nail salon, but that's just to get, like, you know, a professional manicure where I get my cuticles and stuff treated, or my pedicures or whatever. So I still go to the nail salon. But far as me getting artificial nails done or adding tips, I done got addicted to doing that myself, and I save money by buying what I'm showing you right now. So anyhow, this next pack is still by Kids, and this one I only paid $5 for, but this is a salon acrylic natural look, and looks like they're super hard, just like the salon type nails. Once again, you're getting 28 nails in the pack. I'm doing my hand 2 times off of this one pack, and you see the price up there? I only paid $4.99, and I'm gonna have a salon acrylic quality look for only $5. Like I said, what nail salon is giving you that look for that price? I kid you not. So the next 3 that I have to share with you, again, is from the Goldfinger collection, and these were $5 each that I'm about to share with you. And these are the ready to wear gel manicure nails, and these are 24 in a pack. You're getting 24 in a pack for only $5. Like I said, you're doing your hands 2 times off of one pack, and you still got additional nails left over just in case if one happened to break off. So the first one I want to share with you is a rose gold and gold design that looks like this right here. This is the rose gold and gold design. Again, 24 in the pack. Then I also snatched up the red ones. You can't go wrong with red stiletto nails. And mind you, I just showed you ones from Dollar Tree, but I got these right here too. Again, 24 in the pack. These are the red stiletto version. And the last ones I have to share with you are just some regular baby pink stiletto nails that's looking like this right here. And on that note, like I was saying, this have just concluded the video. Now, with all the nails that I shared with you in this video, when I apply them, they tend to last me anywhere from 7 to, I want to say, about 10 days. Yeah, I wear them for no more than 10 days, and that's simply because I'll get bored and want to take them off, or, you know, switch up my design. But generally speaking, these nails tend to last me about a good solid 10 days without breaking, chipping, or whatever. And be mindful when you buy these, because some of them do have its own glue within the packaging, but for the most part, the ones that's like excuse me, the ones that's like this right here, the gel glam nails that's in like the beauty supply store, these tend not to have its own glue inside, so you can use any nail glue of your preference to apply these. But on that note, this really did just conclude the video, because I could stand here all day talking with you all about some nails. Dolls, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.